Here's a third time in charm. Gosh, I had to record this 3 times because, oh man, I had to be so precise with everything. What's up, guys? I'm back. Today's the 7th of April. This is a quick recap video. I'm already down $900. I took 2 trades today. Well, I'm just gonna show you what happened. So I woke up pretty late today, around 9:40. That's not an excuse that why I entered poorly. Okay, let's get into the 4-hour chart. So marking out this huge gap, with this 4-hour gap we can probably reject off of or have a target. We have this no wick candle on Thursday the 2nd, April 2nd. Yeah, I think that's April 2nd, right? Yeah, so that was a target we could target. Also this low too, with that lines up previous daily low, also a good target. But what I was seeing on the 1-hour time frame was we was in this bearish 1-hour gap, and I was looking for some kind of retracement, which we did. We was consolidating for like a few hours, 2 hours, but we was also in this bullish gap, right? But I wasn't really too worried about that because we have this 1-hour bearish gap, and I don't think that price would actually shoot back up, which if it did, we would target this previous daily high or this external high. But here's what ended up happening was that we went into this 1-hour bearish gap, right? Zooming lower to the 5-minute, we had an S&T right here, yeah, right here with ES and NQ. NQ actually ended up taking out the high. Such a good entry if I woke up pretty earlier. People didn't trade today because of this chop we were having. It makes sense, but I feel like we were so bearish today. But here's what I did wrong. Yeah, I woke up immediately and did my analysis, right? And I zoomed in. I saw this 5-minute SMT. It was around like 9:40 I woke up, so I entered pretty like around here, I'm pretty sure, at the low of this wick. And then I put my stops above here, but I wasn't sure because we normally would retrace it to 2-minute, 3-minute, or 5-minute, 15-minute, but I don't know why. I probably should have just held because the SMT already happened and we were already displacing lower. So like, I don't know why I manually exited out of the trade. Definitely could have scalped at least like 300 today on the first trade, but I'm not trying to think about the money or profits. I think it's everything that's got to do with rewiring your brain to how you think, right? Because obviously you can start reversing, and that's just like a bad mental set you can put on your mind. And if that makes sense. I'm trying to it's so hard to talk, but let's just go back to what I was saying. So yeah, I entered here around this area. I manually exited around break even $60 on the first trade. I think that was kind of poor execution still on my first trade, but even poor execution was the second trade. I see that we did retrace to some kind of 1-minute gap, and then I entered here, but I was pretty sure we were actually gonna probably at least retrace back higher up, because the 5-minute, 15-minute was still like counting down, to the 10 a.m. candle, and I think I knew I was cooked when I saw like it was hesitating here, so it sucked. I went down like $700. Yeah, just poor execution on my part, and I did have the right draw on liquidity, but it's just, yeah, poor execution, bro. I suck. And I think what I would have done when I woke up earlier, waited, and if I seen this SMT, I wouldn't want to enter right off of market open. If I seen this SMT forming, we retrace back higher with the inversion, with displacement, I probably definitely would enter here, at least for a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. We'll see what happens tomorrow during Wednesday. Alright, that'll be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, sorry that I've been gone. I've been just reflecting and just like on my own, just learning more, about SMTs and external and internal, and just learning more about reversals too, because that's also one thing I need to also learn too and implement. Learn about continuation and reversals. But oh yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I think I didn't tell y'all, but I already bought like 3 accounts since I've been gone. Like I've blown the account like in a day or two, so it's not looking too great. But I decided that like just document a little bit more to be more transparent, and I probably won't be not uploading, editing this video just so it doesn't have so many just so I don't cut out anything important. Yep, that'd be it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. See ya Wednesday.